Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here, as you guys can see up on the screen. Today I want to talk a little bit about Sofi Technologies Incorporated. This is ticker symbol SOFI for those of you who are maybe not as familiar with this company or with this stock. And today has not been the best day in the world for Sofi. We are down 1.71% on the day today, but we're still intraday. We hit a bottom around 10:30, around 11. This is Central Time, but things have kind of been going up since then. We're up like 1.8% from the intraday low so far today. We'll see where things close out, but either way, it doesn't seem like all that amazing of a day for Sofi, but it's definitely not the worst day of the year we've seen so far or anything like that. Again, Sofi's down 72.45% year to date, but hey, when we take a look at the rest of the market today, Dow Jones down, S&P down around 1%, NASDAQ down a little bit over 1%, Russell down a little bit over 1%. So Sofi does seem to be a little bit in line with the rest of the market, definitely underperforming the market, but not by a crazy amount or anything like that. And of course, as always, we have plenty of stories to talk about today. The first I thought was this very, very interesting post from the Sofi stock subreddit. Sofi stuff to look forward to in 2023. And this is a big deal to a lot of people because, again, we just looked year to date. It's been bad. 2022 has been bad, and we are just a few days away from the year being over and finally getting to start fresh in 2023 and hopefully having new things to get excited about, to look forward to, but also just to have a better year overall, not only for Sofi, but for the whole stock market, for the world. Who knows exactly how it's going to go. Some people are predicting things to get worse. Maybe things will stay the same, but hopefully, things are going to get better at some point. So we gotta get excited. We gotta get happy. We gotta have things to get excited about and to look forward to. So 23 potential catalysts for Sofi in 2023. Again, this is a lot, but big wins for the tech platform. Sofi is courting a rich pipeline of tech platform interest from large financial institutions. Once a couple of big firms sign, it will provide confidence and cover for other institutions, potentially starting a flood of Sofi tech platform adoption. That could be big. We, of course, have Galileo products. Galileo is rolling out new products and partnerships, like direct deposit switch, like Pay in 4, fleet cards, dispute API, and enhancing the payment risk platform. We have their lending segment, of course. Sofi writes their own loans. They match additional loans with partners, and they refer the remaining requests via Lantern. We have brokered deposits. Quarter 3 was the first quarter of Sofi broke out of their brokered deposit segment, showing a $600 million share of Sofi's bank deposits. This includes flows from brokered CD offerings. We have retail CDs. Sofi's brokered CDs are a hit. We have new B2C markets, business to consumer, I guess that means. The past year saw security licenses approved for Sofi Singapore and public career posts for Sofi UAE. Teased as coming soon back in 2021. Will 2023 be the year that they launch? Sofi Bank as a sponsor. We have Sofi Travel and other spend better shopping portals. We have tech platform marketplace. We have options trading expansion. This is definitely a big thing that a lot of younger investors, millennials and younger, and kind of the new age retail traders, whatever. This is definitely something they are going to be looking out for and excited about. The initial rollout of level 2 is going to be here. Level 1 is coming soon. We do have home loan acquisition. Sofi is shopping to vertically integrate home loans. Twitter feed integration into Sofi Invest. Student loans, who knows what the heck's going to happen with them, if there's going to be student loan forgiveness or if student loans are ever going to start getting paid back again or whatever, but they keep getting pushed back and pushed back and pushed back. Maybe they'll start getting paid back in 2023, and that'll be, at least a meaningful boom for Sofi. Strategic investment. This is some speculation here, but potential strategic investment by one of the large financial institutions that Sofi eventually signs to the tech platform. We do have credit cards. Members have requested niche cards. Sofi is interested in travel and has surveyed members. There are countless partnership opportunities. We have Zelle, a top member request and confirmed in the pipeline. The Technesis website. We have tax filings, automated investing, securities income program, Sofi ETFs, access to private and non-traded investments, and more surprises to come. You never know what is next around the corner. So these are 23 things to be excited about. So we'll have to see what's in there. Again, some of these are definitely better than others. Some of these people are excited about. Some of these people are not excited about. Who knows? But there are at least some ideas, at least some things to think about, at least some things to consider. And again, we're just trying to bump up the mood from what's been a largely unsuccessful 2022, at least in terms of the stock price. Yeah, I think Sofi has been doing a lot of good things on the business end. Hey, 2023, maybe we'll see the intersection of those where we can start getting both things headed in the right direction, but maybe not too, you never know. We had this post as well. 4 unstoppable multi-baggers to buy in 2023 and hold for the next decade. This is an article from thefool.com, Motley Fool, where they have SoFi on their list. Initially drawing attention for its student loan refinancing business, SoFi offers investors a three-pronged growth attack through its trio of operating segments, its lending unit, its personal loan operations, and their technology platform. Between SoFi's low price-to-sales ratio, its 3-year sales growth rate of 56%, and management's expectations for generally accepted accounting principles, profitability by the end of 2023, the company offers investors undeniable multi-bagger potential. So, again, if you're somebody that likes SoFi, or if you're on the fence about SoFi or whatever, this, coming out, having somebody say some good stuff about them could be a good sign. Doesn't really mean anything at the end of the day. It's just a writer from thefool.com. They're just a regular person with opinions and stuff. But hey, they're getting excited about SoFi. They see some of its potential, and I don't think that's ever a bad thing. We also have another person who is very, very excited about SoFi, or at least, acting like they are. Jim Cramer, his lightning round from December 23rd. He says SoFi Technologies, I think that SoFi is finally going to be Anthony Noto's year. I genuinely believe it. He's talking about 2023. Anthony Noto is the CEO of SoFi. And he thinks that 2023 is going to be a big year for Noto. It's going to be a big year for SoFi. Again, some people love Cramer, some people hate him, but I don't think him talking good about your stock, to a bunch of people on his show is ever that bad of a thing. But hey, I know a lot of people like to inverse Cramer, whatever you think about him or his opinions or whatever. I don't know, but that's what he's saying about SoFi. He's getting excited. He thinks 2023 could be a good year. Who knows? We do have a WallStreetBets update on the $50K SoFi loan, which I did think, this is a post we've covered before here on this channel. Kind of funny. I don't know what this update is. Got the $50K SoFi loan today and YOLO'd, lost everything, thinking of nothing but how to give up, living cleanly. I'm done. I know this guy at least claimed, who knows if it was real or not or whatever, that he was taking out a $50K personal loan from SoFi to, pretty much gamble on WallStreetBets trades or whatever. And again, it does look like he lost, $47,000 in one day. He's still got $3,000 left in his account. People are saying, hey, don't do anything stupid. It's just money. It's okay. His risk level is safe. Does it say that somewhere? Oh yeah, right here. His risk level is safe on the screen. I don't know. Kind of funny, kind of weird. But yeah, hopefully, SoFi learns a lesson from this, doesn't give out loans like this, but, also don't know if it's fake, real, whatever, who knows, but, kind of an interesting post, kind of funny, kind of not funny, whatever. But as an update on that, again, guy at least claims that he did take out the $50K loan from SoFi, claims that he did gamble it all, claims that he did lose it all. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe he's rich, maybe he has extra money, maybe he doesn't. Who knows? SoFi at work added Kaiser's physician side of the medical group, apparently. This is, some people getting excited about this. I don't know. We do have this here, just some more partnerships, some more teaming up, some more offerings and stuff for them. We do have this as well. SoFi Pay in 4 early access. Some people getting access to this. Pay later with Pay in 4. Split approved purchases between $100 and $500 into 4 interest-free payments, 4 easy installments, a virtual single-use card, no fees, no credit check. This is starting to roll out to people. So, hey, people are getting excited. We'll have to start seeing some feedback, seeing if this ends up being good, bad, or whatever. But just another product, another offering from SoFi. And then SoFi Stadium. Seems like a topic that comes up every so often. I'm sorry if this is common knowledge or too far in advance for anyone to care, but I just learned that SoFi Stadium will be one of the 16 stadiums to host the 2026 World Cup. World Cup's on a lot of people's minds right now. It was very, very exciting. It was an awesome event. People can't wait for it to come to North America in apparently, 2026? Still 4 years away from that, but who knows? This could be a big deal down the line. Again, SoFi's paying big money for this naming rights deal for events just like this, for things like this to go down. Again, is it an immediate boom for the stock price or the company or anything like that? No, but I do think all that little stuff does add up, and it's things to get excited about, but we're not really talking about 2026 anytime soon. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Hopefully I catch you in the next one. But until then, peace.